what actually happens when you crack your knuckles? That sharp pop isn't your bones breaking, it's something happening inside your joints. Between your bones, there's a fluid filled with tiny gas bubbles. When you stretch or pull your fingers, pressure suddenly changes, and those bubbles collapse or form rapidly, creating that cracking sound. For years, people believed this causes arthritis, but science has found no strong evidence for that. So the sound may feel intense, but it's usually harmless. The real question is, why does it feel so satisfying every single time?